Hey guys, welcome back to Math Studio Live. This is part 4 of our Lessons with Lab tutorial on perspective drawing. In this video, we will continue applying new techniques into our room perspective design. If you have not watched the previous videos yet, I suggest you do it right now before watching this one. If you find this tutorial useful and informative, please subscribe to my channel and click that notification button for upcoming videos. Don't forget to also show your support by liking my video. Today's topic is intermediate room perspective. The techniques I will be showing you will help develop your creativity when designing your dream room. So take out a sheet of paper, pencil, and ruler, and let's begin. First things first, draw your horizon line and vanishing point. Draw a rectangle in the middle of your paper and around your vanishing point. Before we go any further, I will cover 6 things that we'll be working on in this video. First, we will make a second floor, an extended room, a corner wall, a split wall, a side room, and lastly, stairs. Okay, so after you're done drawing your rectangle, get your ruler and measure the height of it. Make a second rectangle with the same height on top of your first rectangle and align their sides. Connect all your corners to the vanishing point. Instead of drawing a line to the X, you will draw lines going out and away from the X. As you can see, you have created a larger room compared to the first one we did on our last video. Let's start off the lesson from the top of the list and make a second floor. To do this, align and draw a skinny rectangle to the middle line of your room in here. Connect this top right and bottom right part of your rectangle to the X. Stop until you reach this middle line. At this middle line, cut the 2 lines with a vertical line like this. You can now erase the middle line of your room. You can actually extend the rectangle across the other wall if you want to. And so we are done with the second floor. Next, let's create an extended room. We will create this room behind the middle wall. So draw a door opening like this. Next, connect the top right and bottom right to the X, but do not go all the way. Connect these 2 diagonal lines together with a vertical line to create a trapezoid shape. Draw a horizontal line starting from the left corner of your trapezoid to the left side of your door opening. Inside your extended room, draw a vertical and horizontal line to create another wall from within. And this covers your extended room. Drawing a corner wall is very easy. Let's draw it on the right wall. Simply draw a vertical line from the top and bottom of your wall. From the top and bottom of your line, draw 2 horizontal lines. Erase the diagonal lines on your previous wall and you just created a corner wall. Next in the list is your split wall. This wall can separate your larger room into 2 smaller rooms. In this case, I will put this wall under my second floor for aesthetics. Draw a skinny rectangle and align it under your second floor. Draw a vertical line at the end of your second floor until you reach the bottom part of your middle wall. From here, connect this intersection to the X and draw a line out. Notice that the line is not touching the bottom part of my rectangle. Simply drop the bottom part to align with it. Erase the horizon line so it will become less distractive when doing the last 2 parts from the list. Next, we will create a side wall. First, draw a vertical line anywhere on the left wall. Connect the top part of this line to the X and draw a line outwards. From this vertical line, create another skinny rectangle. Connect the top left corner of this rectangle to the X and draw the line outwards. Erase the bottom line of your left wall to create an opening into the other room. Align the lower part of your middle wall across to the other room. Connect its corners to the X and you have completed your side room. The last and most challenging part of the list is the stairs. First, let's determine how thick your stairs will be. We will make it the same thickness as our second floor. Draw 2 diagonal lines downwards. You decide how steep your stairs will be. On the left side of your stairs, only draw 1 diagonal line starting from the top left corner of your second floor. We will then create our first set of stairs. From this corner of your slant, connect it to the vanishing point and draw a line going outwards. The longer the line, the steeper your steps. Then draw a vertical line going down until it reaches the bottom diagonal. Draw a third diagonal line starting from the tip of your step downwards. This line will be the height for the rest of your steps. The moment your vertical line touches the diagonal line, connect that intersection to the vanishing point and draw the line outwards. Draw your vertical line and keep doing this until you reach the bottom part of your stairs. Darken the lines you want to keep and erase unnecessary lines. Next, draw horizontal lines to every corner of your steps. As you go below the X, you will start drawing horizontal lines from the inner corners of your steps. You will then cut our steps. Start from the diagonal line you created and then draw a vertical line going up. Keep doing this until you reach the bottom of your stairs. Erase all lines inside your steps and you have created stairs going up to your second floor. So this concludes my lesson on intermediate room perspective. On my next video, I will show you how to draw furniture and accessories for your interior design. Go ahead and practice this lesson during your spare time and try it without instructions. Before I go, here is a time-lapse video of just how creative you can get by just understanding the concept of interior room design. This is Matt Studio Live signing off.